Right guys, today I feel like something fresh and something vibrant, but not too heavy, something quite light. So I'm gonna go for a bruschetta, or my version of a bruschetta. Let's do this. Right, let's start off with our cherry tomatoes. You see me chop these a bunch of times before. I like them in weird, odd shapes. I don't like them uniform. So halves, quarters, you know, chop them up into different angles. So tomatoes done. Red bell pepper. I wish I had yellow. I haven't got yellow. I'm gonna cut these really fine actually. I want these like not bite size, I want these quite fine. Let's get the tomatoes and the peppers in our bowl. I like a whole bunch of coriander, and I know you think this is too much, and it is for most people, but I just love the contrast with tomatoes, peppers, coriander and feta cheese. I just think it's out of this world. Let's get this straight into our tomatoes. Right, and then we've got some of this lovely feta cheese, and I'm just going to slice it, and we're just going to crumble it into our salad in different shapes. Some of them are going to go really small, some of them are going to stay in big chunks. That's exactly what you want. At this stage we're going to go in with just a squeeze of fresh lemon, nothing too overpowering. Yeah, lots of pepper, good amount of salt, just a drizzle of olive oil, and we're just going to dress this up nicely. Wonderful. Right, I'm just going to let my salad just sit there for a few minutes while I work with my bread. So I've got this really good quality bread, but with my bruschetta sometimes I like to do something which isn't very classic or very traditional. I like to butter it, right? Touch of olive oil in a pan. Now traditionally you wouldn't butter your toast, you wouldn't butter your bread, you'll drizzle some olive oil on there and it'll get nice and crispy. But listen, the salty flavour of butter, the flavour that you get from the butter, oh my god. And then you've got I go straight in and straight in on that side, and then while it's on, just get the other side, give the other side of butter. Right, just let your bread just do its thing, let it get nice and hot and toasty. Right, can you hear that sound? So just from that sound you know they're ready to be flipped, so just give them a flip. Perfect, that's exactly what you want. So what's going to happen is every time you bite into that bread, you're just going to get like this buttery flavour, and then you've got the freshness from that coriander and the tomatoes and the richness from the cheese, and the lemon juice just cuts through everything with that pepper. Bang! So good. Love bruschetta. Simple things done properly, man, I'm telling you. Right, my toast is ready. Let's get this off the pan. Okay. Right, we're plating up directly on the board, rustic as anything. Straight on with our beautiful mixture. Just a couple of spoonfuls. A little bit of tomato, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of coriander. Right, we're going to go in with a sprinkling of pepper, just a generous hit of fresh parmesan. Give that salty kick just to finish it off. And you have it. Coriander, fresh tomatoes, red peppers, buttery bread, feta cheese. Right guys, there you have it. This is my epic bruschetta. I love this dish. So fresh, so vibrant. Something sexy about bruschetta. I don't know what it is, but it's just so good. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the taste test. But before I do, I'd just like to say, guys, I'm releasing 7 videos a week. That's 1 a day. Hit the subscribe button, show me some love. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, that really helps us. And if you want me to try a specific dish, put it in the comments below. I promise I'll try my best. Anyway, enough talking, I'm gonna get stuck in. Right, let's get stuck in. Straight away you get richness, saltiness from that feta, but the red pepper cuts through it all with that sweetness, and then you've got coriander, man. Coriander just pop, beautiful. Anyway, listen guys, I'm gonna finish this off camera. Outstanding dish. Make it yourself, step by step with what I showed you. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's Sonny's effing delicious.